This is the RivdomOne16V, a cordless riveter from VVG Fasteners. The RivdomOne can set blind rivets up to 5mm in diameter quickly and reliably. The 16-volt lithium-ion batteries charge up in under 30 minutes and can set up to 2,000 rivets per charge. An LED light helps guide the operator, while the ergonomic grip, lightweight design, and short trigger stroke help improve operator comfort. The RivdomOne automatically ejects the spent mandrel after it's finished fastening, eliminating the need to manually reverse. A transparent mandrel collector screws onto the rear of the riveter for non-stop quick setting. Simply tilt the tool back to collect the mandrel. For more information, check out the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like it, please consider subscribing and sign up for notifications when we post a new video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.